Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you two ways that you can get into Google Classroom. The first way is to type into your URL box at the top of your browser, classroom.google.com, press enter. My screen is automatically going to go to all of the classrooms that I am a part of or that I am the teacher of. You might have to log into your Google account, or if you're using a Chromebook, you might already be logged in. But once you're here and once you're logged in, at the top right hand of your screen, you're going to press this plus button here, and then you're going to press Join Class. Once you do that, you're going to type in the code that your teacher has provided to you. Make sure you're using capital letters if there's capital letters, and make sure they're lowercase if they're lowercase. When you're ready, go ahead and press join. The other way that you can do it is go ahead and again log into classroom.google.com. And over here to the left-hand side, you see Miss Woods' homeroom. This has a decline or join button. I have been invited by this teacher to join this class. So I can press join here, and it's going to automatically enroll me into this Google Classroom. And so here I am able to see the stream right away. So the stream is where your teacher is going to post information, updates, announcements, links, all of that type of thing. Sometimes you'll be able, if they have this setting on, that you're able to add a class comment. So if you have a question of your teacher, you can type it here. I have a question, so you can see I'm just typing in, and you can fill that in here. You can send your message by pressing this arrow here to post it. Just keep in mind that it does post to your entire class when you do that, not just your teacher. So make sure that you're using good digital citizenship, and we're obviously writing with complete sentences. Sometimes here you can share something with your entire class up here as well. So you can post questions, information, that type of thing there. Your second tab here is your classwork. So here you'll be able to see all of the things that you are supposed to complete or do, assignments, tasks, that type of thing. And then the people button here, here's your teacher. You're able to message your teacher that way. Or again, you can comment on your class stream or the comments here. You're able to click any of these links that are posted, so you're able to see the information that your teacher has provided for you. The newest things are generally at the top, and then the things that are not as new will be towards the bottom. Thank you, and enjoy using Google Classroom.